All right, so let's see what we can do here. This is my Power Automate, and I'm going to show you guys today how do I use my artificial intelligence in Power Automate. So Microsoft Power Platform has artificial intelligence pre-built models that I'm going to use today, and the Power Automate's gonna help me to automate the whole flow. And let me start with this is my previous successful runs. A few minutes ago I tried it before the demo, and now I'm going to show you a flow where this is a Power Automate flow, and this is the AI part of it. So in a minute I'm going to explain the whole thing, but you can see on your right is a Copilot, and Copilot is again an artificial intelligence built into Power Automate to help the developers that what actions required. And when I, let's say, test the whole thing, let's do one thing. First of all, I'm gonna explain to you the whole scenario. Uh, what am I doing is I'm trying to I use a email format where there is a couple of email chains or discussion or some topic has some data. Now, I'm going to use the email chain or email topic to be summarized using a AI summarize algorithm, which is in the predict model from Microsoft. And I'm going to send another email with the summary, whatever the summarized text in a body. Now, when I run the whole thing, the Copilot here gonna give me some instruction in case I fail to run the flow or whatever. So let me turn on. It's turned on now, and I'm gonna go and let's test. Like I'm gonna check the flow checker. That's a very good facility to check the flow that you have errors or not. So there are no errors, no warning. So we are good to go. And we're gonna start test manually. So what I need to do in order to test this is to send myself an email right here with the content, and then it's gonna do a AI summarize. It summarize the whole thing written on this email and send back to me in email whatever the summary is. So let me send a summary to myself. Here I'm sending one email, and it summarizes everything based on the title it recognized. So AI builder, this is how it recognized that this is the email that I need to summarize. So what I'm going to use, I'm going to copy something from Copilot, ChatGPT, and putting that whole thing into the email here, and I'm going to send it to myself for summarizing the whole thing. So let me run the test, and then I'm going to summarize the whole thing here, the test. So it's looking for an email from me, and I'm going to send that email to myself so that it's going to pick up the email from my inbox, summarize the whole thing, and send another email back. So this is the initial email I sent it, and it's going to summarize the whole thing. We'll see on the screen what's happening next. So we can keep the Copilot on the side. Okay, so all steps went through, and I'm going to get one more email very soon with the summary. So within few seconds, the whole automation work, let's say how many, zero point 0.4 seconds, and it's gonna summarize whatever I sent it, and I'm gonna get an email. So here we go. So see what we get, and this is the summary. So I sent some detail about Microsoft Copilot, and I get the whole summary about that email. So it's keep on sending me right now because Power Automate Flow. So I need to stop the automation, and that's when it's gonna stop sending more emails to me. So it stops. So no more emails coming. And this is the flow checker. And if you see in 0.04 seconds, I'm gonna get summary of every single thing. And it's very precise when we look at the summary. It's a fully automated flow that we can do. And that's it for now. All right.